up friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Vineria from Incredibox Sprunki. So first let's get started by drawing in a flower on the left hand side. So we're going to start by drawing a circle in the middle. On the right hand side now we're going to curve this line in. Leaving a gap, we're going to come over on the left, replicating that. Again, moving down, leaving a gap, replicating that. And then one more time. Now from here, we're going to connect all these open spaces together with a curved line. Now let's draw on the hair strand up above. So we're going to curve this line up, around, and then in. And then starting back on this line, we're just going to curve this line down, around, and then back in towards the bottom. Now on the top, on the left, we're going to curve this line down. We'll do the same thing as we move across. We're going to continue the second strand of hair. So we're going to come down, arching this around, and then up underneath. Let's draw on the other flower now, making this smaller. So we're going to draw in a half circle. Moving up, we're going to curve this line over. Leaving a gap, we're going to move over on the left, curving this line down. And then again, one more time. Now from here, we're going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. Now for this hair strand, we're going to bring this line down, around, and then in. Now we have one more flower to draw up above. So we're going to draw in a circle. To the right of this now, we're going to curve this line all the way around and then in. On the left-hand side, we're going to replicate that, curving that line down. And then again, leaving a gap, we're just going to curve this line around and then back up. And then all the open spaces here, we're just going to close this off with a curved line as we bring this line all the way around and then down. Now coming underneath, we're going to curve this line over. Dropping underneath, we're going to arch this line in. Moving up again, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the flower on the top. And then we're going to move behind, arching this line around and then in. Underneath now, we're going to curve this line up. Now let's move across. On the right hand side, we're going to draw in another flower. So we're going to make this smaller, drawing in a small circle in the center. And then again, we're just going to, in all four corners, draw in a curved line that connects in towards our circle. Now from here in the middle, we're going to curve this line over, and we're going to continue this as we come all the way around our flower. Now on the top, we're going to curve this line around and then out. Underneath, we're going to curve this line over, down, and then back in towards the top. In the center now, we're going to curve this line around and then in. On the right hand side, moving underneath, we're going to arch this line around, back up. We're going to draw in the hair strand that's pointing up towards the top of our page. So coming over, we're going to curve this line out, in, and then back out as we come in towards the top. From that pointed corner now, we're going to curve this line in, out, and then back down again. On the right hand side, we're going to curve this line over, and then moving underneath, we're going to arch this line down towards the flower. Let's move up again in the center, and we're just going to draw in another curved line from left to right. And then as we come down underneath, we're going to continue this hair strand, arching this line around, and then back in on the side. Now let's close off the face underneath. So we're going to curve this line all the way around and then up on the right. For our right eye in this open space now, we're going to draw in a nice big circle. In the middle, we're going to draw in a straight line from left to right. And then moving underneath, we're going to draw in another half circle, curving this line around and then up. We're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out. Let's move across now for our left eye, lining this up at the same height. We're just going to curve this line all the way around and then over towards the left. Let's draw in another straight line coming across, bringing that over. And then for the pupil, just curving this line around and then across towards the left. Let's draw in a curved line in the middle for the mouth. Now for the body, on the left-hand side, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out towards the left. And then we'll do the same thing as we move over and across on the right, ending that at the same height. And then now from here on the bottom, we're just going to draw in a straight line from left to right. Let's come underneath now on the right. We're going to curve this line around and then up. Dropping down, arching that around, up. Again, moving down. And then one more time, arching this over towards the middle. On the left-hand side now, we're going to curve this line around and then up. Moving below that. And then one more time, arching this line across. And that is it. That's how you draw Vineria from Incredibox Sprunki. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.